The state is taking action after a 2-month-old baby died at a daycare suspected of operating illegally. The daycare provider is facing criminal charges for placing the little boy in an unsafe sleep environment. Call 6 investigates. Kara Kinney has been working for you, tracking child care safety for years, and joins us now with why having a license can make a big difference. Kara.
That's right, Erica. When a daycare has a license in Indiana, those workers have to get trained in safe sleep practices. That includes putting a baby on her back to sleep, just like this, and also using sleep sacks like these rather than loose blankets in the crib. Now, Jessica Moss, she is charged with neglect of a dependent resulting in death. Court documents say she put a 2-month-old baby face down in a crib and then left him unsupervised. The little boy died of positional asphyxia, which is when your position makes it impossible to breathe. The State Family and Social Services Administration has issued a cease and desist order to Moss, telling her to stop operating without a license. Now, records show Moss was caring for 11 children in her home. Now, just a reminder, you need a license in Indiana if you have 6 or more children that aren't related to the provider. If you or a loved one are looking at childcare, ask to see their license. You can look up inspection records at childcarefinder.in.gov, and you can find that link in the hot button at theindychannel.com. Now, keep in mind, if your daycare is licensed, they are subjected to regular inspections by the state, and those inspectors look at the safe sleep environment. They follow the ABCs. Is the child alone? Is the baby on her back? Are they in the crib? The baby should be sleeping in a crib like this one with nothing else other than a tight fitted sheet. We're live on the west side. Kara Kinney, RTV6.